There's always something new to look at. I personally really love watching the dinosaurs. Hi guys, I'm Bree and I work at Zulily as an editorial stylist. Every day I get to do a little bit something different on set, style little projects and shoots for each day for the photographer, and it's a really great place to work at. So every day I look at the site because there's always something new to look at. I personally really love watching the dinosaurs. I know it's a little weird because I'm an adult, but they're my favorite animal, and you'll see something that I got here that's kind of fun. I also really like to look at brands on our site as far as makeup or clothing because you can always find it on sale and way cheaper than the stores. So it's always really fun to shop for. I've got 3 packages, so let's take a look. I'm super excited for this one. So I told you guys I really like shopping for clothes. I've been wanting a Sherpa coat for a really long time, but they're so expensive in the stores, and I'm a short person. Got it so cheap compared to what they are in the stores. I just pounced on it the morning it came up. It's nice and long, so it's like on trend, because you gotta keep on trend with the headbands. It's really soft, and it's not too heavy, so you can layer it for fall or winter. Online shopping has been a new thing for me. I've always really liked to try things on. Once you start shopping and finding the deals, it's hard not to go back. This is something I was really excited about, and I haven't been able to find it in a store before. I really like to do yoga. The awkward thing about doing yoga is when you go into certain poses, if you're not wearing tight clothing, everything is gonna just drop, and it's not a friendly peer thing to do. So this is a new brand that was on our site, Yogalicious. They make it just for yoga classes. So in the back, they have like a scrunched up part. So it's still nice and flowy, still lets you be able to breathe because you're at the gym and you don't want to be sweating. Really cute in the front. It's a cute color. It's got the trendy little crunch in the bra, and it goes really good with my new coat. I'm really excited if it is what I think it is. I'm obsessed with dinosaurs. And I saw these on the site. They are chocolate dinosaurs from Jurassic World. I'm really excited about it, and it's got like a 3D collector card. Fun fact, when you see the dinosaurs in Jurassic Park, they will never run like that. The T-Rexes do not have the stability to run as fast as a Jeep. Fun fact for the day. My last item is something really cool. I haven't seen this anywhere either. It's so new, and something really cool about our site, we have like a t-shirt shop, and you see new designs all the time on the site, things that are trending, things in the movies, things that aren't gonna be in the stores right away. So this one says, I love you 3000. Looks super cute with my new yoga top, because you can still look good when you go to the gym. And then after your workout, you can eat chocolate dinosaurs. I think my favorite thing from this is probably the Sherpa coat. I've been really excited for this. It's something I've wanted for a really long time, and I haven't been able to find it anywhere. Thank you so much for coming along on my shopping journey with me. I'm really excited about all these items. Swipe down below on the channel to like the video if you liked watching, and subscribe so you see more in the future, and give me a comment. I'd really like to hear what you have to say about your shopping trends for the season. Bye guys.